we have to estimate the quotient in this example. Let me copy our example. We have 3.25 divided by 0.0486. Because we don't have to give a specified place value, so we have to front round each number. Front round, it means to first non-zero digits. So, for example, would be 3 and in the second 4. So, we have to now check digit after our underlying digits is 2 is less than 5. So we have to copy our underlying digits, and every digit after our underlying digits we have to change to zeros. And we have divide by, we have after our underlying digits 8, so it's greater number than 5. What we have to do, we have to add 1 to our underlying digit. And what next, we have to change every digits after our underlying digits to zeros. 4 plus 1 is 5, and every number before our underlying digits we have to copy. So we have 3 decimal point, and we have 0, 0, so this is 3, divide by 0 decimal point 0, 5. We don't have to write the zeros after 5, they don't change the value of our number. So we have to divide 3 by 0.05. Our divisor is decimal number, so we have to move decimal point how many times? 2 decimal places to get whole number. Whatever I did with divisor, I have to do the same with the first number. When we don't have decimal point, it's always at the end, so we have to move 2 times. 1, 2. So we need to fill this empty spaces by 0. And at the end is decimal point. So let me rewrite this. We have 300 decimal point divide by 5. So let's do this. We can set long division. We have divisor 5 is whole number and 300 our dividend. So how many times 5 goes to 30? Because to 3 we cannot do. Is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. We have to subtract. 30 minus 30 is 0. We don't have to write. And we have, what next? 0. How many times 5 goes to 0? 0. 0 times 5 is 0. So we finish long division. Our remainder is 0. And our solution, whatever we have on the top, this is our quotient. The estimated quotient is 60. This is my solution.